Good day, everyone. Welcome to part 1 of Chapter 10 in Advanced Management Information Systems, Electronic Commerce, Digital Goods and Markets. In this presentation, we'll break down how e-commerce works, from business models and revenue strategies to digital products and distribution channels. But more importantly, we won't stop at theory. We'll apply these ideas to a real organization, the Oro Savings and Sharing Cooperative in Cagayan de Oro City, and see how traditional systems can evolve into competitive digital platforms. So to begin, let's start with the foundation. What exactly is e-commerce? E-commerce is part of our everyday life. Think about this. You're scrolling through Shopee, you find something you like, tap add to cart, pay instantly, and a few days later, it's at your doorstep. No lines, no cash, no hassle. That's e-commerce in action. At its core, e-commerce is the use of internet and digital technologies to conduct business transactions, allowing goods and services to be exchanged without physical interaction. This includes online shopping, digital payments, marketing, and even service delivery. But what makes all of this possible? Behind the scenes are management information systems, transaction processing systems for secure real-time payments, data management systems for storing and analyzing customer data, security systems for protecting transactions, and customer relationship management systems for improving user experience. Together, these systems transform traditional business into something faster, smarter, and more accessible, giving organizations a strong competitive advantage. Now that we understand how e-commerce works, let's take a look at how rapidly it's growing. E-commerce is no longer just a trend. It has completely reshaped how markets operate worldwide. So what's driving this expansion? It's powered by wider internet access, the rise of mobile technology, advances in cloud computing and data analytics, and changing consumer behavior. Today, transactions happen anytime and anywhere. Mobile commerce now dominates online sales, while social platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook have turned everyday browsing into instant shopping experiences. For businesses, the impact is clear: faster transactions, lower operational cost, and continuous innovation. In short, e-commerce is reshaping the marketplace, and organizations must adapt quickly to stay relevant in this digital-first economy. And with this rapid growth, different types of interactions emerge. E-commerce connects people and organizations in several ways. First, we have B2C or business to consumer, where businesses sell directly to customers through platforms like Shopee or Lazada. Next is B2B or business to business, which involves transactions between companies such as suppliers and retailers using digital systems. And finally, C2C or consumer to consumer, where individuals sell directly to one another through platforms like Facebook Marketplace or eBay. Each of these relationships shows how flexible e-commerce is, from large-scale operations to everyday people turning into online sellers. Moving on, let's explore how business actually structure themselves online. E-commerce business models explain how organizations operate and create value in the digital marketplace. There are 7 major models discussed in our book. First is Portal, that acts as a gateway to the web, offering search, content, and ads like Google. We also have e-tailer, representing online retail stores like Amazon or Shopee, selling goods and services directly to consumers. Content provider that distributes digital products such as music, videos, and ebooks, with platforms like Spotify and Netflix leading the way. Transaction broker, facilitating online transactions like Expedia for booking flights or PayPal for secure payments. Then we have market creator, which connects buyer and sellers through auctions or marketplaces, with eBay and Alibaba as prime examples. We also have service provider, delivering online services such as cloud computing or software solutions seen in companies like Zoom or Microsoft. And finally, community provider, that provides social platforms that enable interactions and sharing, such as Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. Each model represents a different way of delivering value, and in practice, many companies combine several models to stay competitive. Now, the question is, how do these businesses actually generate income? E-commerce businesses rely on different revenue strategies to sustain growth. Some of the most common include sales revenue or earning from direct sales of goods and services or digital content, advertising revenue that generate income by displaying ads, transaction fees where businesses charge for facilitating exchanges, subscription by offering continuous access to content for a recurring fee, affiliate marketing through rewarding businesses for referring customers to other sites, and freemium, offering basic services for free while charging for premium features. Behind all these strategies are management information systems that handle secure transactions, manage customer relationships, and analyze data for better decision making. So every purchase, subscription, or click is supported by technology working in the background. Now, beyond how businesses earn, what exactly are they offering? This brings us to digital products and how they are delivered. Digital products or goods are items delivered entirely through digital networks. These include ebooks, software and applications, online courses, and streaming content. They have unique advantages. They are intangible, instantly delivered, scalable, and can be replicated at near zero cost. To reach customers, businesses rely on distribution channels. First is direct channels that allows companies to sell straight to customers through websites, mobile apps, or their own platforms. These support disintermediation, meaning fewer middlemen. Indirect channels, on the other hand, involves intermediaries or digital marketplaces, which expand reach but often include fees or commissions. These channels expand reach while balancing cost and control, making the result clear: faster delivery, reduced cost, and global accessibility. Now that we've explored the concept, let's apply them to a real-world organization. In the Philippine context, cooperatives play a vital role in providing financial and community services. The Oro Savings and Sharing Cooperative in Cagayan de Oro City offers savings, loans, retail products, and community programs. However, many of its operations still rely on manual, face-to-face processes, limiting efficiency and accessibility. This creates an opportunity for digital transformation. By adopting e-commerce solutions, Oro Savings and Sharing Cooperative can introduce online loan applications, digital payments, and real-time account tracking, so every member can access services anytime, anywhere, without visiting a branch. So how does this transformation work? From a strategic perspective, e-commerce aligns closely with MIS principles. Oro Savings and Sharing Cooperative can apply transaction fees for digital services and introduce subscription-based features for premium offerings such as financial advisory tools or digital learning content. Operationally, digital platforms reduce manual processes, lower cost, and improve accuracy. More importantly, they enhance customer experience. Today's users expect convenience similar to banks and fintech platforms. By offering real-time updates, mobile access, and personalized services, Oro Savings and Sharing Cooperative can position itself competitively in the digital marketplace. With these insights in mind, let's summarize the key takeaways. In summary, e-commerce enables organizations to operate efficiently, scale globally, and deliver services instantly. The case of Oro Savings and Sharing Cooperative shows that even traditional organizations can transform through the adoption of digital systems. By embracing e-commerce, They can streamline operations, expand their reach, and meet modern customer expectations. Because in today's digital economy, transformation is not optional, it's essential. And that would be all for part one. Thank you for listening and have a great day.